Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all having a great day so far. Today I'm here to show you a recipe which is made with a very popular ingredient during holidays. Can you guess what it is? Yes, cranberries. I'm going to show you how to make cranberry hummus. Cranberries are considered to be superfood due to their high nutrient and antioxidant content. Research has linked the nutrients in cranberries to lower risk of UTIs, the prevention of certain types of cancer. It decreases blood pressure and improves immunity. For this recipe, you will need 1.5 cups of boiled chickpeas, 1/4 cup of tahini, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and 1/2 cup of cranberries. Salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. In a small saucepan, pour in the cranberries and a little bit of water and let it simmer in a low flame, and close it with a lid and you will hear popping sounds. Just stir it occasionally. In a food processor, take 1/4 cup of tahini. This is a store-bought tahini that I got in our local Mediterranean grocery store, and just for the convenience sake, I just got this, and it is a pretty good tahini. The next ingredient that goes in the food processor is the lemon juice. You can reduce the amount of lemon juice as the cranberries are sour in nature. Instead of a 1/4 cup that I mentioned, you can just add a couple of tablespoons. You need to blend these two ingredients well before you add the other ingredients. Now the tahini and lemon juice are well blended. I'm adding garlic, olive oil. I added 3 cloves of garlic because I like my hummus with more garlic flavor in it. If you want to reduce, you can reduce the amount of garlic, add 1 or 2. Now that it's all blended well, I'm adding our chickpeas. These are also canned chickpeas. If you want to use dried chickpeas, you can soak them overnight and pressure cook them, and you can use them. This is 1 can of chickpeas. Now it's time to add all the spices, salt as you need, cumin and paprika powder. Blend all these ingredients. If you need to use water, you can add a couple of tablespoons of water and keep mixing it, stirring it. Right now it's pretty hard, as you can see. I would like to add at least like a 1/4 cup of water. As you can see here, our cranberries are cooked. You can turn the stove off. They all became like mushy, and they are good to use. Let the cranberry sauce cool down a little bit before adding it to the food processor, and then you can blend the hummus and cranberry mixture that we made together. You can now see the beautiful pink color of cranberry hummus. I love the color. The next step is completely optional. I like adding tempering to my hummus. I minced garlic in and mixed it with olive oil and heated it up and added on top of my hummus. This hummus has turned out so delicious, and it was such an easy recipe to make when your friends and family come over during holidays. I hope you will make it and share this recipe with your friends and family. If you like this recipe, please hit like, subscribe and share with your friends and family. Happy Thanksgiving and happy holidays, guys. Thank you. Bye.